electronic parking brake. The electronic parking brake has two operating modes, manual or automatic. The parking brake can be applied manually by pulling the switch off. A warning message and warning light appear on the instrument panel. A warning light also illuminates on the switch to confirm that it's been correctly applied. Pressing the switch will release the parking brake. The electronic parking brake is applied automatically when the engine is switched off. You can apply the parking brake during an occasional stop. It will be released when you start the vehicle by accelerating. For safety purposes, if you open the driver's door or unfasten your seatbelt when the stop and start function has placed the engine on standby, the parking brake is applied automatically and the message "Parking brake applied" appears on the instrument panel. If you want to push the vehicle to move it, to adjust its parking position, for example, do the following. Before getting out of the Alpine A110, switch off the engine by simultaneously holding down the start button and the electronic parking brake switch for 2 seconds. Now select position N within 45 seconds of switching off the engine.